Well, here we go, trim, trim, trim. I'm going to endeavor not to cut any part of my finger off while doing this. Working around the neckline here. It is funny how when one goes to put these layers together, invariably some layer or another will have stretched. It's just the nature of the beast. So, okay, that's all nice and trimmed. I'll trim the other side. And that's okay. It's fine. There will always be a little bit. Don't get too wrapped up in that. I am jet lagging so badly from my recent return to Korea. That's why I definitely prefer to cruise across an ocean than fly across it. If you cruise across an ocean, then you can adjust 1 hour per day, and that's perfect. If you fly across it, then it's an hour per day still, but you're in your destination already, trying to live life as though you were already in your destination. And that's hard. My sleeping has become completely erratic. I know, hashtag Contessa World problems. But do, dear viewer, just allow me this little bit of whinging. Okay, clearly I did not get that very well there. So the reason it's so important in this case for this to be so close is that my edging is really not as wide as I might like it to be. I probably should have made it a bit wider, but I can make it work as long as these edges all line up and there's not one that's, you know, protruding out significantly more than the others. Oh, look at that. Right around that corner. Okay, well, there we have it. All trimmed up. Time to start attaching the edging.